Hey everyone, Josh here from Neighborhood Car Reviews, and in today's video we're going to do an unboxing video. We have a SCT from Derived Systems has sent me this X4 performance tuner, and in our previous unboxing we also did the Livewire Vision performance monitor. The difference is this is basically just a gauge readout, shows different performance systems and everything like that. The X4 does that as well. It is a gauge monitor performance thing, but it is also a tuner. So this actually can tune the car and things of that nature. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this, see what's inside it. Packaging is very similar to the Livewire. Similar overlays, similar packaging inside. Same story here. Nice foam padding. Protects it from shipping, and as I stated in the Livewire video, the shipping is extremely quick. This came within a week. I think it was actually less than that. So on the top you see we have the actual controller. Put that on the ground. So the little controller here, it's handheld, very compact, nice quality and attention to details here, good build quality. This is not a touchscreen, so you use your controllers. Firewire input. You've also got an HDMI input, a micro USB port, and then you can mount this to a window mount. Alright, moving further inside the box. User guide. USB to micro USB, so you can connect it to your computer to download software updates or tuning programs or anything like that. We got some stickers too. And then the other portion of the box is going to be our main cable. So here's our cable. Pretty long. Connects into your OBD2 port. And we'll grab our little tuner here, the X4. HDMI port plugs in to the top of it, just like normal. Plugging this into the HDMI port powers up your screen and allows you to view all the different kinds of features and things of your vehicle, including gauges, tuning profiles, and things of that nature. Alright, so this is just the unboxing video of SCT's X4 Performance Tuner. If you like this unboxing video and would like to see more like it, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews. Also, check out our Instagram channel at BrensoJ1, and of course, as always, thanks for watching.